Man, so what are we gonna do here? This place is brand new, man. Let's talk about being brand new.
Well, it's not brand new. It's newer.
What's the difference between brand new and newer? Like brand new, it's new. I mean, it's a pretty new place.
Let's say newish.
Is that like the middle of newer and brand new is newish?
Yeah.
Like newer is what, like 2014?
Well, I don't know. I mean, the roof, whoever moves in here is going to have to touch the roof for 20 years probably.
Yeah. Well, I get, all right, so it's built in 2018. It's not brand new. And it's not newer. So it's newish. So you have newish roof you don't have to ever mess with. It's like a car. You buy a car 1 year new, you're not paying brand new premium pricing, right?
But everything's still going to last you a while. Plus, everything's probably under warranty. I know the manufacturer warranties are probably still active, and this stuff, I mean, these appliances last 5 to 10 years easily. So whoever moves in here isn't going to have to do anything.
This is a really nice 4-bedroom home.
Let's go take a look.
Yeah, let's do it. How'd you like this newish house, Walter?
Loved it. Also love this new-ish community. I mean, you're right across the street from the new-ish top lot.
Yeah, they have the top lot, the newish red door, and you know anyone wants to see this newish house, send them my way.
You got it.